Endeavour. We have physical separation.
Houston copies.
Endeavour and the International Space Station no longer docked. You see the motion away in this photo. Springs have pushed Endeavour downward in this view from the International Space Station. Momentarily, Endeavour pilot Greg Johnson will activate thruster jets. That will move Endeavour more quickly away from the station. Endeavour flown by Greg Johnson, the pilot, continuing its slow, careful departure from the International Space Station, still moving on a path directly ahead of the orbiting laboratory. Endeavour now just beginning its upward move that'll take it on the first part of this fly around, the flying of a circle around the International Space Station. You can see the change in attitude, the apparent attitude of the International Space Station as Endeavour begins to fly a bit above its flight path, the station's flight path. This fly around designed to document the condition of the International Space Station as Endeavour departs. We're getting this view from International Space Station downlink. You're seeing the Space Shuttle Endeavour emerge from this piece of the station at the lower left of your screen. The shuttle's well above the International Space Station and just about halfway through a quarter circle that'll take it down to a point directly behind the orbiting laboratory. Greg Johnson, the pilot of Endeavour, is at the controls for this fly around. The fly around is to end at a point directly ahead of the orbiting laboratory, about where it started. This view of Endeavour from cameras on the International Space Station as the orbiter moves toward a point almost directly behind the orbiting laboratory, a distance separating the two spacecraft now, just approaching 690 feet. We can see daylight beginning to fade in this view of Endeavour and the International Space Station. Space station shot showing us the Pierce docking compartment and the Soyuz, or the Progress spacecraft docked there, the unpiloted cargo carrier. Now we're seeing Endeavour with control inputs from Greg Johnson, the pilot. We saw a brief thruster firing from the forward end of Endeavour in that shot we were just seeing.
This view from the International Space Station showing the spatial Endeavour during